Welcome to this TIPCHECK tool tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through how to merge projects. So what we see here is we have quite some projects in our homepage ready to be merged to one. That could be, for example, that you did a TIPCHECK and you split your TIPCHECK in the morning session with 50 components, the afternoon session with 35 components, and maybe the next morning. And then you want to put those three into one report for your client. And there's a few things you need to know. So first of all, if you want to merge projects, you click on New Project, and here you can select the function Merge Inspections. The tool will automatically show you all the projects which you have open in your homepage and uploaded here. So the first thing is we call this Merge Demo. The location is like always long. Today is the 18th. And now you can choose which of these projects you want to merge into one. So we take definitely the TIPCHECK tutorial. We take the tool tutorial with 2 and the tutorial with the project 1. You can also, like on the normal project level, put the position of your client, the phone number, and email. You can write a comment, more projects, and we can select the picture. Exactly the same principle. And we take the nice Tika house where we did our last international TIPCHECK training as a picture for the merge project, just to have a little variation. Then we click on Next, and now we will see there's the merge demo here. In the merge demo, we can then go to project report and print the project report. Before I'm doing this, I want to show you something special for the merge project function. For this, I go to the TIPCHECK tutorial and I click and take you to the project summary. What you can see here, if I know that I want to merge projects, I can upload 10 component pages each per individual project, which is merged to one. The background for this is that imagine you have 50 pictures and you have this 3 times and you merge the 3 projects. You would merge 150 multiplied by 2, 300 pictures into one project. This is not possible with the browser-based tool, and we were testing it, and there's no other solution than limiting the number of picture pages. On the other hand, also our experience shows that clients don't look at 300 component pages. So what we developed is with this simple trick that you put this star at the start of the component name, the tool will know automatically that it takes this component page into the merged TIPCHECK report. So let's go back here, and just to demonstrate how it works, I prepared this. Pipe 1 and surface are already marked, and you see also the pipe 6 is marked. Let's say we also definitely want this combination to be in our merge project reference. So I simply add a star in front of the name. It has to be really at the front of the name, and I save it. And now going back to the summary, in the merge project, this component, these 2, the pipe 6 and the combination 9 will be printed into my merged project report. For this, of course, I have to go back to home. I have to edit now this merge project. I have to tell him again that I would like this TIPCHECK tutorial to be used. And like this, I can now print the report. You see, like from the other tutorial, my template report is already here. So it looks quite nice. I have everything in what I need to have in fact. And I will just remove this page break before, because I think then it looks nicer in the report. And I click on print. So what you see here now is I have 21 pictures the tool needs to print, as it takes only those component pages with the pictures which I selected by marking the name at the start with the star. And then I click here and I save this merged demo in my tutorial files. And then we will quickly have a look at it. So first we see here the summary of all the projects which I added. So TIPCHECK tool tutorial 2 with 5 components, and tutorial project 1. And all those 3 projects together come to this financial savings, energy savings, CO2 reductions. Then I have my project description like in any other report. And now it starts first with the TIPCHECK tool tutorial. And remember that here we made the star at pipe 1, at surface, at pipe 6, and at the combination. So now you see we have the pipe 1, we have the surface 2, we have the pipe 6, and we have the combination 9. And then we jump to the next project which we merged in. Here you see also in the summary we were using all 5, so you can expect that now all 5 component pages are printed to the merged report. And then we go to the last project where we had only 2 components and we wanted both. So we also have those 2 pages. So this is an easy way for you to identify which of the 10 most important projects you want to add to your merged report and show to the client. And you can do this individually, either all if it's less than 10 components, or like in the first one, sorry for scrolling, I don't want to make you sick. But yeah, to show you here that you could select. If, for example, you don't remember that it's only 10 and you marked the first 16, then you will see that the tool is printing only the first 10, and then it stops. So there is nothing breaking or damaging your report, but you will just see that the maximum per project are 10 components to be printed with the component pages. And that's already it. And like this, you get a nice report with all results of all the TIPCHECK reports, which you merge into one, calculated together. If you have any further question on the merge function, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. And thanks for watching.